Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Sana Mehrotra. If you are seeing this space for the very first time, hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, in today's video I want to create a Christmas look for you guys. So this is the look that I am wearing right now. I have created this look for you guys for this Christmas, and I wanted to keep this look very subtle, basic, easy peasy kind of wearable look, so that आप में से किसी को भी कोई problem ना हो. I don't wanted to keep it very glam makeup, so वेयरेबल मेकअप में करना चाहती थी जो कि सभी लोग कर सकते हैं. I wanted to keep this with the vibe of the Christmas, so I have used green and reds all over, and I'm wearing this white high neck top, and yeah, so this is the look. So if you guys are interested in watching, then let's just quickly get into the video. So guys, let's just get started. To moisturize my face, I'm using my all-time favorite Pond's Super Light Gel. So this is about to get empty. So I've taken this much amount and applied it on my face. So guys, as you can see, I have a lot of bumps over here. These are the razor bumps जो कि मैंने अभी शेव किया था फेस को. सो मुझे ये सूट नहीं किया है, एंड इससे भी ज़्यादा सीवियर था गाइज ये. सो आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इट एंड वीडियो ऑन इट इज़ कमिंग सून, क्योंकि मुझे 2 दिन में ही बहुत इफेक्टिव रिजल्ट मिला है जो भी मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ उससे. सो वीडियो ऑन इट इज़ awaited and it will be up soon. So now moving on, to moisturize my lip, I'm using the very basic Vaseline petroleum jelly. As I said कि मैं ये look थोड़ा easy peasy और थोड़ा wearable kind of रखूँगी. So for that I am not going to use foundation. Here I'm using Lakme 95cc cream and I'm in the shade beige. Now to highlight high points of my face, I am using this my all-time favorite Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade 10 Light. So guys, if you want to hide your spots जो भी आपके एक्ने वगैरह के होंगे, so you can use the concealer. I am totally okay with it. मुझे ऐसे कुछ basic need नहीं है कि I need to spot correct my dark spots. So I'm leaving it as it is. Now you need to pack the concealer. So for that I am using this Fit Me Compact in the shade 230. Now guys, to bring life to your face, you have to use bronzer or you can do contour. So for bronzing up my face, I am using this Sugar Cosmetics Contour Deep Force Mini Bronzer. I'm in the shade 01 Top Topper. So basically guys, जो भी आपका face foundation के बाद थोड़ा lightless face हो जाता है ना, so to bring that light to your face, एक chiseled look और एक proper आपके face cut को show करने के लिए, you have to bronze or contour your face. So I am using this product. So guys, with the help of this brush, I have just put on the product on my face. Now I am going to use this fluffy brush and I'll be blending this all. So guys, you can use either the fluffy brush or this angular brush. दोनों में से कोई भी brush use कर सकते हो आप. अगर आपके पास ऐसे angular brush नहीं है, you can use the fluffy brush and you have to blend this. You have to take the product upwards so that आपका face थोड़ा सा chisel लगे. आपको नीचे इसको नहीं blend करना है. And for your jawline, you can take the product downward so that आपके जो भी cheek bones होंगे ना, मतलब double chin होंगी, वो आपके cheek bone इसको ऐसे cover कर लेंगे, थोड़े dark shade के हो जाएंगे. So एक illusion effect हो जाएगा that you don't have a double chin. So guys, I'm done with bronzing. So आप देख सकते हो कि कितना effect change हो गया है मेरे face का. So now moving on, you need to put blush to your face. So I want to keep it very subtle. So I'm using this pink shade and this one is from Nykaa and the shade is Malibu Barbie. So I'll take this pink shade and I'll keep it on my cheeks. And you have to take it like this. Here you have to put it. Then on your chin and a bit on your nose. Now moving on with the eyes, I'll keep the highlighter for the end. So for my eyebrows, I'm using this Savannah Colors eyeshadow eyebrow palette and I'll do my brows. So you can see the difference. Now comes the highlight of this makeup, that is eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'll keep it very simple and subtle, guys. So for my eyeshadow, I am using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and the shade is Rose in the Air, and I'll take this transition color. I want to keep it very nude. So you have to take the transition color and then apply it all over your crease. To put that Christmas vibe to it, I am going to take this angular brush and highlighter. So basically you have to draw a liner with this. Guys, as you can see, मैंने concealer से एक liner draw कर लिया है अपनी eyes पे. Now I am taking this Nykaa के Under the Sea palette and I'll be taking this green shade from this palette. So basically the idea is I have to draw a eyeliner of green color. So if you are having, and I want to keep it very glittery and shimmery kind of liner. So अगर आपके पास कोई liquid liner है, you can directly draw it. And if you don't want to, and if you don't have the liner, या फिर आप मेरी तरह कुछ experiment करना चाहते हो, so you can do it like me. So I'm taking this liner and this kind of brush, और मैं ऐसे product को ले करके, and I'll be placing it like this. So you don't have to rub the product, you have to keep it very pigmented. So you have to just put the product. See this, guys. Gorgeous, isn't it? So I'll be doing this on my other eyes, and then I'll see you guys. As you can see, this is looking so gorgeous. Now to bring more depth to my eyes, I am using this NY Bay kohl pencil, and I'll place this on my waterline. Guys, I'll take a smudger brush और मैं थोड़ा ये black kohl को smudge कर दूंगी. After smudging out the kohl, I am going to use this Maybelline Colossal mascara. So guys, to finish off the look, I'm going to use a red lipstick. So obviously it's Christmas, your lips should be red, obviously. So I am using this lipstick. This one is from Half and Half, and it's their crayon lipstick. Now at last, I'm going to use this fixing spray. So this is my DIY fixing spray. So if you want to see how I have made it, I've already made a video on it. You can go in my description box and you can check out. I'll give a link of it. So guys, after fixing my base, I am going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm in this shade Rose Gold. So the basic idea after applying highlighter after fixing is कि आपका face जो है थोड़ा wet हो जाता है, तो highlighter ज़्यादा better work करता है. See. So I'll highlight my face. So guys, this is done. I'll just quickly do my hair and then I'll see you guys. So guys, this is the final look. So I have kept a very messy kind of bun क्योंकि अभी winter season चल रहा है, तो obviously आपका hairs जो है वो आप frequently इतना wash नहीं करते हो, so आप कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा styling करना नहीं चाहोगे अपने बालों को, इसलिए I have kept a very messy kind of bun. This is a very go-to hairstyle for all of the peoples. So yeah, this is the final look, and I have added a earring to it, but that's it. So this is the look that I have created for this Christmas. If you guys have enjoyed watching this video, so give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel before you leave, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. अपना ध्यान रखना, अपनी family का ध्यान रखना, and I love you guys.